Hi YouTube foodies! Today on She Cooks It All, we are going to cook this delicious trotters cooked with bean. This is a delicacy, guys. Let's cook. First off, we are going to clean our trotters, and I'm using cow trotters. I always have this brow shaper for my kitchen. I use them to scrub the skin of any animal meat that I'm using. So I use that is like tip, guys. It really removes every grind hair remaining or anything on them, guys. After I rinse them, clean them properly, I like to soak my trotters in hot boiling water for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then that when I'm happy that they are fully clean. After that, now let's cook. So I'm just seasoning this with some salt, pepper, and nutmeg, and a little bit of bay leaf, and then chili because we like a little bit heat on our food. And I'm going to add in some onion, leek, and minced garlic. Cover this with boiling water, and then we are going to cook this on a medium heat, covered for about an hour up to 2 hours sometime, but an hour to an hour and a half. That when mine were ready. You know that your trotters are ready if you can easily poke them with a fork or a knife and it goes straight in, or even cut a little bit and taste, and it is ready. These take time, and for this to be good, they need to be fully cooked, guys. Okay, so about an hour and a half, and this is the concoction that I make my sauce with, and this is the magic, guys. Okay, so we are going to go ahead and dice first the onion and the leek, because those will be the first one to start making the sauce with. Okay, heat some oil on a pan. My pan is up on a medium to high heat. Saute the onion, the diced onion and leek for about 2 to 3 minutes until they are just simply soft and they've released their aroma. Don't brown them. Okay, add in some bay leaf, because cooking with bay leaf, who's that? We always have bay leaves around here, guys. Okay, so fry this or saute this for about 2 to 3 minutes. After 2 to 3 minutes, I went ahead and add in my diced peppers, and I use the mixture of yellow and green. I love this mixture in this particular type of sauce I'm making. The color and everything, it just makes sense, guys. And then we're going to add in garlic, because again, like bay leaf, me and garlic, we are best friend. We're going to squeeze in some garlic and then saute this for about 15 to 20 seconds. Garlic does not take long to cook. Okay, once that is cooking, we're going to dice our tomatoes. I'm using small tomato, but you can easily use like really good 3 medium size, but I only had these ones. So yeah, make sure they are fresh tomato and ripe on the vine, so they are vibrant and red. Okay, add your diced tomato into your mixture, and then we are going to fry this on a medium heat for about 15 minutes. You need to make sure the tomato is fully fried. This is the secret to your sauce, guys. This is how it looks like later. The tomato have softened up, but you can still see the color in there, and that is what I want, guys. Fully fried. And now we are going to add the vegetable stock, a little bit of boiling water to help those vegetable stock melt, because you don't want to put everything in there in case it doesn't melt and one place has a strong flavor of stock. So make sure that your stock is fully melted. Okay, now my stock is fully melted. We are going to go in with our cooked beans, and I'm using white beans because this is kind of the one I like for this kind of sauce, guys. Okay, so we are using white kidney beans. Mix the beans well in this tomato and goodness base. Mix that in well. Careful not to mash your bean, because your beans are already fully cooked. So just take your time, take it easy, and just mix it well so everything is nice combined. Once I was happy with that, now we are going to tuck in our cooked cow trotters, and then the sauce from the cow trotter is going to be our liquid or our stock. Okay, add in a little bit of black pepper just because I like fresh black pepper, and then add that sauce from the trotters. This need to have sauce, guys. Can you see that? Yeah, like this. A little bit of chili because we like heat in our food. Cover and simmer this for about 20 minutes. Like reduce your heat. 20 minutes. Ooh, this is ready, guys. This was so good. Oh my goodness. I hope you are inspired, guys. I went ahead and served this on a bed of some jasmine rice. It was party in my mouth, guys. This was extremely delicious. I hope you are inspired. Everything is down in the description below. Thank you for watching.